Nag-fail daw si Krista Ranillo sa kanyang family life sa Amerika. Katunayan, buntis siya ngayon sa kanyang second baby. Makichika kay Lars Santiago.
Lahat ng nakakita kay Krista Ranillo noong opening ng 10th supermarket ng asawa niyang si Nino Lim sa Oxnard, California. Pinupuri ang pagiging blooming niya kahit malaki na ang tiyan.
Getting married and starting a family, I think I could really say is the best decision I've ever made in my life. Kasi I really feel fulfilled as a mother, as a wife, as a woman. And talagang I couldn't ask for anything more.
7 buwan na ang tiyan ni Krista. Masaya raw siya sa kanyang pagbubuntis at hindi naman siya masyadong nahihirapan.
Everything is going well, so I'm having another baby boy. So si Nate po yan and it's gonna be good kasi at least 1 year and 3 months apart. Nag-decide na kami ni Nino, he's gonna be named Nolan Justin.
Todo suporta si Krista kay Nino, lalo na pagdating sa negosyo. Lagi raw niyang pinaparamdam kay Nino na lagi siyang naroon at nakahandang tumulong.
I help him with the food service business, so we're in charge of the hot to go. But more than that, with that aspect sa negosyo, I think it's more of the support that I give to him. Talaga, I really motivate him.
Hindi pa rin nawawala sa mga plano ni Krista at Nino ang pag-uwi sa Pilipinas.
We plan to visit when Nolan comes out and when Nate is bigger. Probably next year, tsaka we still have to do our wedding in Manila, our church wedding.
Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz Happening.